Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to disable homepage in Chrome on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you can open Chrome browser on your device. Okay, and then in the upper left you can show the homepage of Chrome. And then, to disable it, you can tap on the three dots here. After that, you can select Settings menu. And then here you can scroll down. After that, you can select Home Page. And then you can turn it off like this. Okay, now you can see that the home page is successfully disabled. Well, that's the tutorial on how to disable home page in Chrome on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.